Díodíobh agus fáilte arás go gaeilge mochroigaeilge. Hello and welcome back to Irish in my heart. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you adjectives in Irish. 50 adjectives. They're going to be very useful to you. You're going to hear them a lot, read them a lot, and use them a lot. Now, adjectives. Aidiachtaí. Number 1, dáthreide. Incredible. Unbelievable. Dáthreide. Aontach. Amazing. Wonderful. Aontach. Dúchlanach.
Challenging.
Dúchlanach. Jachar. Difficult. Tough going. Jachar. Éasca. Easy. Éasca. Easy. Big. Small. Tootsie. Tiny. Big. More. Big. Grand. More. Ard. Tall. High. Ard. Ishal. Short. Low. Ishal. Tapa. Fast. Quick. Usain Bolt. Tapa. Mal.
Slow.
Time goes by so slowly. Time goes.
Mal. Che. Hot. Tamale.
Hot, hot, hot. We got it.
Fur. Cold. AF. Cold. Not cold AF, just cold. Lua. Early. Opposite of when I get up. Jainach. Late. Jainach. Cuing.
Queen.
Narrow. Cuing. Lahin. Wide. Lahin. Wide. Dahul. Handsome. Good looking.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
Dahul. Alin. Beautiful. Alin. Gallanta. Gorgeous. Gallanta. Glotcha. Cute. I mean, I don't want to point fingers,
Fingers.
but Croga. Brave. Croga. Brave. Mata. Coward. Well, cowardly. Mata. Clishcha. Clever boy or girl. Clishcha. Kitach. Clumsy. Kitach. That is me all over. I'm an extremely clumsy person. Amajach. Stupid. Foolish. Amajach. Abby. Mature. Wise. Grounded. Grown. Abby. It just means mature. Nyau Abby. Immature. Nyau Abby. Grana. Nasty. Grana. Me chachram. Unfair. Me chachram. Chachram. Fair. Chachram. Jas. Nice. Jas. Lach. Kind. Lach. Ladrna. Boring. Simul. Spatial. Interesting. Simul. Na. Spatial. Shan. Old. Shan. Old. Newa. New. Newa. Extremely original. Just add a little A there. Different. Different. You look different today. I'm like, good different? Huh? Bad different? Cana. Same. Cana. Larger. Strong. Larger. Lag. Weak. Lag. Saver. Rich. Saver. Bocht. Poor. Bocht. Blasta. Blasta. Tasty. Gestionach. Disgusting. Gestionach.
Disgusting.
Gort.
Salty.
Gort. Sharv. Sour. Sharv. Millish. Sweet. Millish. Keep in mind that that means sweet in terms of flavor and not really used to describe a person. And finally, last but not least, to finish off the tastes, salcha. Savory. Salcha. So bitter and sour are the same in Irish. That's why I didn't include it. I don't think savory is a taste bud.
Well, I did actually until I looked it up, but we'll just brush past that, move on.
So that is all the 50 adjectives. Céige Aidiachtaí. I would like to give a shout out to Gaeilge le Eimear, relatively new Irish channel. Eimear is an Irish speaker who wants to, like I do, share her knowledge and love for the language on the internet. So go check out her YouTube channel. She has some really useful and just enjoyable videos. So it's a sulagum gur winshif salt as an ishan seo. Mas mian la nís mó gaeilge a olam, lan misha Instagram. Gaeilge mochroigaeilge on Instagram. I post 3 to 4 times a week, maybe sometimes 5. Usually 4, with vocabulary, phrases, verbs. Thank you so much to all of my wonderful patrons. You know who you are. If you would like to support me on Patreon, the link is in the bio. It's just €3 to get early access to YouTube videos, and then it's €5 to get early access and access to the fortnightly video chats that we have. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what adjectives maybe were new to you. Maybe all of them are new if you're just a beginner, or maybe what ones you like the most. Subscribe if you would like to see more of my content, and hit the notifications bell so that you find out every single time I upload an Irish video. Gora maiagav agus slán live. Learn a lot, I hope. Hopefully you don't know all of them already. You know, nobody likes a smart ass. Cold. Cold outside. It's cold out there. Ali, beautiful. That's so weird. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Just nice. I mean, if I look good, you would just say I look good. So thank you so much, and bye.